My name is Deborah, and I'm from Durham. And I found A1 Floors on Facebook. We called, made an appointment with Chris. Chris came out just like he said he would. And we just wanted an estimate. We wanted to do something different. We wanted to get rid of our carpet. And after his measurements and everything, he gave us an estimate. And everything was just timed just as we needed to be. It was close to Easter, so we wanted to wait till after Easter. But no sooner than we waited after Easter, a gentleman called us and told us that he's going to be out here. I believe it was going to be the 12th, but anyway, they came out. Oh my goodness, it was just awesome. We didn't have to move any heavy furniture. We didn't have to do much of anything but pull little things away. And Elmer and his crew came in, professionals as professional can be. They got to it, right to it, broke everything down, stripped everything, pulled carpet up. We didn't have to do nothing but just stay out the way. And they did a great job. In fact, they told us 2 days would be the time limit, and if they did it in a day and a half. And it was just great. And I just wanted to say to anybody who's looking at making this transition to flooring or either getting new flooring, A1 is the way to go. And the flooring is perfect, and it's just what we asked for, and we're just very pleased.